Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now Monday, we've got a few things coming out now. We've had some Japanese numbers, a little bit of Jap or yen strength, but then that sort of dissipated. So not much to sort of think about there. We do have some numbers out of China. They're going to be relevant for the Aussie and Kiwi. Like all the numbers out of China have been pretty terrible. So I can't see a big shift here, but just keep an eye on those, especially if you're trading the Aussie and Kiwi. Come into the European session. We've got Christine Lagarde speaking. Okay, the ECB president. Be interesting to see what she says. Usually pretty calm, methodical, so no surprises really. One of the key things we do have the first round of UK data, right? The S&P PMI numbers. On the back of those numbers we had out of the UK, weak numbers last week. Weak numbers here should send sterling lower, or if we get some stronger numbers, we might see a little bit more of a squeeze there. And you come into that North American session, uh, New York Empire State Manufacturing Index, a good historical number. Maybe it kicks into gear, and you've got those S&P numbers there. So, few things to get the market started, right? But to me, the opportunity, okay, if I come back to prime time analysis, looking at the majors, right? We do have very good structure here, right? The dollar is remaining strong. It's just a matter of trying to pick off some of these pairs, and definitely sterling with that recent weakness in the fundamentals has to be a go. And I do like the Aussie and Kiwi setup here. It's well, it's primed, excuse the pun, for a trading opportunity, right? So I'm looking to get into sterling here on a bounce back a little bit higher. Same with Aussie and the Kiwi, right? These are my three prime pairs for today, and we'll see how it plays out. But as you can see, the dollar is actually trending quite nicely. I just like the feel of sterling because of the weak numbers. And then you got weakness in the Aussie and Kiwi on the back of, weaker China, weaker commodities, everything, right? So just keep an eye on those Chinese numbers. If they're weak, well, that trade comes out quite nicely. All right, guys, that's it from me. Have a good day. All the best. Cheerio.